questions 1 through 10 on the 2008 Grade 7 Gauss Math Contest. The value of 6 times 2 minus 3 is, so we are going to use order of operations, which is bed mass. And in this particular question, multiplication first and then subtraction. So 6 times 2 minus 3, multiplication first, that's 12. And then subtraction, 12 minus 3 is 9. So number 1, the answer is A. The value of 1 plus 0.01 plus 0.0001 is. So what I like to do is line them up, makes it a little bit easier. And if you line them up like this, then we can just add them top to bottom. And this is 0, 0, 0, 1. So here we go. So this is 1, 0, 1, 0, and then 1. And the advice I give with these kinds of questions is just take a few seconds and read the answer choices carefully, because they are all very similar. So you might, circle the wrong one even though you got the answer right. And if you look at them carefully, the right one is E. 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 is equal to, get a common denominator, so this is going to be top and bottom multiplied by 2, here top and bottom multiplied by 4. So it becomes 4 plus 2 plus 1 all over 8, and that is 7 over 8. So number 3, the answer is D. A regular polygon has a perimeter of 108, and each side has a length of 12. How many sides does this polygon have? Well, the perimeter represents all the sides added together, and so we don't know how many sides, so let's just say the number of sides is n. Each side has a length of 12, so it would be 12 times n is equal to the perimeter. So if we solve for n, it's 108 over 12, and therefore n is equal to 9. So number 4, the answer is D. The smallest number in the set, 3.2, 2.3, 3, 2.23, and 3.22 is. So we got 2.3, 3.0, 2.23, and 3.22. So we want the smallest number, so it's obviously not going to be the 3's. It's going to be one of these guys, either 2.23 or 2.30. Well, looking at those, the smallest of those is this one right here. So number 5, that would mean the answer is D. If PQ is a straight line, then the value of x is. All the angles about a straight line add up to 180. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So 5x has to equal 180. Dividing, we get 180 over 5 is equal to x, and therefore x is equal to 36 degrees. So number 6, the answer is A. Which of the following is a prime number? Prime number is a number that cannot be divided by anything except 1 and itself. 20 is divisible by 2, right? So that's not prime. 21 is divisible by 3, so that's not prime. 23 is divisible by only 23 and 1, so it is a prime. 25 is divisible by 5, and 27 is divisible by 9. So the prime number in here is 23, which is choice C. Kayla went for a walk every day last week. Each day she walked half as far as she did the day before. If she walked 8 kilometers on Monday last week, how many kilometers did she walk on Friday last week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday she walked 8, so each day she walks half the amount that she did the previous day. So on Tuesday it would be 4, Wednesday 2, Thursday 1, and Friday a half, or 0.5. So on Friday last week she walked 0.5, so that means for number 8 the answer is E. The circle graph shows the favorite ice cream flavors of those surveyed. What fraction of people surveyed selected either chocolate or strawberry as their favorite flavor of ice cream? So the chocolate is 50%, and the strawberry is 10%, so that's a total of 60%. And I guess they wanted it in terms of fractions, so 60% is 60 over 100, which is 6 over 10, which is 3 over 5 in lowest terms. So number 9, the answer is A. Max sold glasses of lemonade for 25 cents each. He sold 41 glasses on Saturday and 53 glasses on Sunday. What were his total sales for these 2 days? 41 plus 53 is the total number of lemonade glasses he sold, so that's 94. And then we take 94 and multiply by 25 cents to get the total amount of money he made. And 94 times 0.25 is 23.5, and that's in dollars. So $23.50, and therefore number 10, the answer is A.